On the subject of putting wires into doors, which Land Rovers weren't really designed to do, but notice something very interesting here, that the wire doesn't go straight into the door, it's offset, one's higher than the other, and the reason for that is so that the cables don't bind and break. I'll try and shut the door and you'll see what I'm talking about, because if they were straight in together, they'd bind up together and they'd sort of eventually crack. Now, interestingly enough, I'll come outside and I'll show you this little gadget here. I'm frequently asked about putting wires into the front door for speakers or central locking or whatever you want to do, electric windows even. So how are you supposed to put wires properly into that door? Because if we scoot around here, put a bit more light on it and put a bit more light on it in a minute. Oop, turn it off. There isn't a great deal of room to get wiring in. When you shut that door, the gap is very close. So Land Rover, what they did, they came up with this idea. And it's fitted on the sort of TD5s and things like this. But you series guys and other Defender owners who haven't got the luxury, you need this thing here, and it's YQQ000070, and it's a specially designed rubber tube. Now, like I say, you might not be aware of this, but this is it here, and it looks a really odd sort of a shape. I'll come back a bit, but the idea is this goes in your bulkhead and this goes in your door panel. Alright, so when you open and close your door, you won't trap the wires. It's clever. But you see, this is why you don't do it at this angle, because if you were to put them both at the same height, when you're shutting the door, they wouldn't work. So this allows you to shut the door by moving the wire out of the way a little bit. I'll try and explain where it goes. Oops. It goes here, just under your light switch, and then it goes into your door panel there. Alright, now the TD5s etc. are all cut out for that, but they're really handy to have. They're not that expensive, but they stop all that trapped wires in your door, so just be aware of that. Alright, talk to you later, bye.